Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now, set a 25-minute timer and commit to one focused sprint. Begin at the doorway and scan for obvious trash. Drop it in the toss bin immediately. Once done, pick a surface, desk or floor, and use the keep and relocate bins. This reduces decision time and visual clutter. Keep movements efficient. Pick, sort, place. Make sure to silence non-essential notifications and have a trash bag and a laundry basket within arm's reach to maintain momentum. You now move into the middle, work zone by zone to avoid overwhelm. Start with laundry, collect bag, and start a load so it's off your floor. This frees space quickly. Next, clear surfaces by removing unrelated items into relocate, put essentials back with intention. For papers, do a fast triage, shred, file, or action within 2 minutes. Don't create new piles. Once done, tackle storage. Consolidate duplicates and use clear containers so you can see what to keep. You wrap up by solidifying gains. Do a final sweep, vacuum or broom, wipe high-touch surfaces, and empty the trash. Visible cleanliness reinforces focus. Then commit to a 10-minute nightly reset to return items to homes so clutter never accumulates. Make sure to celebrate small wins. Keeping 80% order is more sustainable than chasing perfection. If you stall or get distracted, shorten sprints to 10 minutes, identify the trigger, and remove it before the next attempt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.